join me. Hi, Helen. Some umbrellas there. Has the King taken some of that British rain with him?
He has indeed, Jane. Yes, it wasn't just for us. And it wasn't just rain, actually. Up in Sweden, we've had record-breaking snow depths so early in the season as well. But yeah, wet and windy across France as well, and much cooler. Here it is. This is the weather front that went through southern and eastern parts yesterday evening and overnight. Of course, previously it had given over 6 inches of rain since Monday night across parts of Cumbria and Snowdonia, the wettest parts of those areas indeed. And as you can see, it's cleared out of the way. It's sitting across France, heading into the Low Countries, and behind it, we've already got heavy showers developing, thunderstorms. This also another area of rain working its way in across Scotland and into Northern Ireland. So much wetter as we go through the afternoon here. You saw some thunderstorms as well there, working their way across the east of Wales into the West Midlands. Showers will become more widespread, not for all. It's always a lottery with showers, but when they come along with the lighter winds in the south, they will last some time. And as we saw, thunder and lightning, and it's cooler out there, or fresher today, particularly in the south, and certainly cooler in the north with that wetter weather and the blustery winds. Now, what happens through the evening and overnight is that wetter weather fragments, becomes more showery. We pick up more showers across southern and eastern areas. Again, there could be the odd rumble of thunder. But I think for me, the main thing about tonight is it will be a cooler, fresher night, more comfortable for sleeping. It was for many last night, but not in the southeast where we kept all that rain. So a coolish start tomorrow to our Friday, promising some spells of sunshine, more for Scotland and Northern Ireland compared with today. But really, it's another day of sunny spells and showers, and a brisker wind, this time coming down from the north or the northwest. So it will feel chillier tomorrow when you add on that wind, and temperatures will be just a notch down, perhaps a degree on today. What about the weekend? Well, a little ridge of high pressure comes in through Friday night, settling the weather down, easing the showers away and allowing our temperatures to dip close to freezing, potentially in the Glens of Scotland. So a much cooler start on Saturday morning. So a fine start, just the odd fog patch around, that'll clear. And look, it looks like it is the drier, brighter day of the weekend with some sunshine. The cloud does tend to roll in later ahead of this weather front, this next weather front coming in. We'll talk about that in just a moment. But ahead of it, I think with the lighter winds and sunshine, it'll feel quite pleasant. But here comes part two. We've at the moment got the remains of Hurricane Lee across our shores. This is the remains of Hurricane Nigel. And by that, I mean there's tropical air in there, which gives us more energy, or gives the atmosphere more energy. So we are going to see more rain again through part two of our weekend. It's uncertain timing-wise and if it'll get to southern and eastern areas, but temperatures have picked up a bit because it's warmer air. It's dragging in the southwesterly wind, but it will give particularly northern and western parts of the UK, Scotland, Northern Ireland, western parts of England and Wales, a lot more wind and rain through Sunday. And then after that, it turns more showery once again. Jane, autumn's here.
Isn't it? All right, Helen, thank you ever so much.